Welcome to Weekly Market Research from Fullerton Markets. Let's dive into the latest market trends and insights. The S&P 500 rose 0.74% on Friday, capping a strong week as major tech stocks surged and investors digested mixed signals on global trade. The Nasdaq jumped 1.26%, helped by gains in Alphabet, Tesla, Nvidia, and Meta. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq posted big weekly gains of 4.6% and 6.7% respectively, while the Dow rose 2.5% despite lagging behind. Markets have been volatile amid shifting messages around U.S.-China trade talks, with China denying active negotiations, and Trump hinting both at optimism and ongoing tariffs. Still, some analysts believe the worst of the tariff tantrum could be behind, with earnings now expected to take center stage. SPX USD Daily Chart. After reaching an all-time high of 6,145, the index suffered a steep decline of over 20% in just 33 trading days. The psychological level of 5,000 triggered a surge in demand, causing the price to rebound and break through the dynamic bearish resistance. Gold. Gold prices dropped around 2% on Friday and are heading for a weekly decline, pressured by a stronger U.S. dollar and early signs of easing trade tensions between the U.S. and China. Reports that Beijing is considering exempting some U.S. goods from tariffs, along with President Trump hinting at ongoing talks, have softened the safe haven demand that fueled gold's earlier rally. Despite this pullback, gold is still up over 25% for the year due to persistent global uncertainties and strong central bank buying. Analysts expect that unless a full trade deal materializes soon, gold's longer-term upward trend could continue. XAU USD on the H1 chart has seen a relentless price surge over the past 14 months, making gold's movement quite unpredictable. A mix of geopolitical tensions, trade wars, and the impact of Trump's tariffs has only added to its appeal. After breaking $3,300, gold soared to a new all-time high of $3,500 and has shown relatively stable movement. Amazon. Thousands of Amazon sellers are under pressure as new U.S. tariffs on Chinese goods skyrocket costs. Most sellers who heavily depend on Chinese manufacturing are racing to shift production to places like India and Mexico, but moving takes years. Meanwhile, prices on everyday items are rising fast, as sellers either pass on the extra cost to buyers or risk losing money. Margins are shrinking, layoffs and budget cuts are happening, and many fear the tariffs could force them out of business if no trade deal is reached soon. The pressure is reshaping Amazon's marketplace globally. AMZN on the daily chart reached an all-time high of $242, but then endured a sharp decline of over 32% in just 2 months. Strong demand around the psychological support at $170 helped the price rebound, eventually breaking through the dynamic bearish resistance. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these market shifts and their potential future impacts. We are Fullerton Markets.